In this video, I am giving you the sleep technique. Yes, one of the most powerful law of attraction technique to reprogram your subconscious mind and hypnotize yourself into success in manifesting your desire. And once you start doing it, you will be start manifesting very fast. Most of you will be manifesting desire within 24 or 48 hours. But once you start doing it, you will be manifesting super fast. Are you excited for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Ajaya, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And I know all of you are manifesting your goals, desires and dreams. And today I'm giving you a very powerful technique, the sleep technique. And so many of you have already manifested many things using this technique, but today I am giving you the deep dive so that all of you start manifesting more. So always remember, the law of attraction is all about the way we think, feel and act, and that's how we manifest. So one of the very famous author in metaphysics and law of attraction and in imagination, NEVILLE Goddard said, feeling is the secret. Yes, feeling is the secret. That's what you need to remember. Feeling is the secret. And in this sleep technique is all about creating that feeling, generating that feeling of manifestation. Now, what is the best time to create that feeling? One of the best time to create that feeling of manifestation and letting the idea sink inside your subconscious mind is while going to sleep. Because why? When you go to sleep, while you sleeping, when you drop down on your consciousness and you stop thinking more things and you start going into that theta mode, that mode where you start getting into that half sleep mode, that's where you started accessing more of your subconscious mind. And at that particular point, whatever you implant inside the subconscious mind, that will go deep and you will able to manifest them very fast. So that is why this technique is the sleep technique, and I want all of you to use it today itself so that you can see the power. You can see the power how you can manifest it. And all of you can try it for some small manifestation to happen within next 24 hours or 48 hours. And then you can start using it for your bigger goal like relationship, dream job, money and all those things. Or you can directly start focusing on your bigger dreams because it works for all kind of dreams. Are you ready? I'm sure you are. So the number one thing you have to remember about this technique is you have to do it at night. Okay, if you are taking some afternoon nap or something like that, then you can do it at that time. But doing at night is the key when you are going to sleep. So first thing, lie down on your bed and then take few rounds of deep breath. Yes, you inhale deeply and exhale slowly. You do this cycle 3 to 5 cycles so that when you do it, you feel absolutely relaxed. Your body will get relaxed. Because remember, relaxation is the key in this technique. If you are not able to relax, you cannot able to manifest. Many people, when they go to bed at night, they carry so much of negative thoughts or worry and doubts and negativities that they never able to relax themselves. They never able to go into that subconscious level, that theta mode with so much of positivity that they can manifest. And the biggest mistake they commit is they take all those worries and anger and frustration and negativities and fears and doubts inside their subconscious mind. Don't make that mistake, because then they wonder like why my dreams are not coming true, why things are not working for me. Do not make that mistake. That is why the first step, while sleeping, you have to take few rounds of deep breath. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Go into that mode and feel that your body is relaxed. Once your body is relaxed, then you focus on relaxing your mind. Let go of all the thoughts. Release if any thoughts is coming and keep telling your mind that relax now. As your mind will relax, then the next step is think about something you are grateful for, something good in your life. Not necessarily about your dreams, anything that is happening good in your life. or anything that has happened in past in your life, something good, something positive, something that will make you feel grateful, make you feel positive. Why we are doing it? To create that positive energy within you, because you are relaxed and now you are generating the positive energy. So even if you are focusing on a relationship, or even if you are focusing on attracting a call or your ex back, or even if you are focusing on manifesting money or dream job, but in case you have lot of resistance or fears about that, don't start with that thing. First, you think about something good, like maybe your family, maybe a good friend, maybe your health, maybe if you have a lot of money, you are happy about money, so think about money. If you have a good job, then think about your job before stepping into the relationship or health part or something else. So for a few moments, think about the good things you have. Or you can think about the day and look for all the good things happened during the day. And be grateful for a minute or so that you really feel joyful. And this is the next key step after relaxation. You need to be in a joyful state, you need to be in a happy state, you need to be in a grateful state. And once you step it into that grateful state, once you really start feeling happy, then you think about your desire that you want to manifest, the dream that you want to manifest. Think about it and ask yourself, what exactly I want to manifest in this? What exactly I want to manifest? Am I attracting a particular relationship? Am I manifesting your dream job? Am I manifesting more money? Am I manifesting good health? Think about that. Ask yourself. And in this technique, you just focus on one wish or one desire or one goal. And when you have that goal clear in your mind, then the next thing you ask yourself is how I will be feeling when I'll be manifesting this desire. Because remember, feeling is the secret. So you go into that mode and start feeling it. You have to feel it. Like as if the manifestation is happening right that moment. As if you are experiencing that manifestation. As if that dream has already come true. And you have to go into that deep feeling mode, and you have to feel that energy, that manifestation, that joy flowing in your body. That is the key. That is the sleep technique. Feeling it. And you have to keep feeling it. You don't have to think about how it will come true, when it will come true, how it is going to work in your favor. You are just going to sleep, and you are just letting this feeling of your manifestation sink inside your subconscious mind. You are already at a relaxed state, you are already at a positive state. Now you have to let the idea, let the manifestation, let the feeling sink inside your subconscious mind. As you let it sink inside your subconscious mind, it become imprint. It get imprinted inside your subconscious mind. And that's where your subconscious mind will work all through the night, activate the law of attraction, release all the vibration in the universe, create all the energy in the universe, and that's where manifestations start happening. So feeling is the secret. Feel that moment, feel that joy, and at least you should feel it for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. And when you start feeling it more and more and more, and as you become joyful, you have to go to sleep in that mode. This is the last key. You don't have to wake up from it. You have to go to sleep in this mode, so that that feeling of manifestation will sink inside your mind, sink inside your subconscious mind, and you just go to sleep and sleep peacefully. This is the key. And as you do it, it is such a powerful process that this feeling, this idea of manifestation, as if you have already manifested it, will sink, and the manifestation will start happening. And I want all of you to try it tonight. And once you start doing it, you may start with something where you don't have resistance, or something which is not challenging for you, and you can start it, and you will see the manifestation happening within 24 hours or 48 hours. And I want all of you to come back and share in the comment section. Are you excited? Are you ready for this sleep technique? Are you ready to go for it tonight? Let me know in the comment section. And then you start focusing on your bigger desire, maybe healing a broken relationship, maybe manifesting dream job, maybe manifesting more money, maybe whatever you want, maybe healing your health or something you desire. So this is a very powerful technique. And remember, my friend, you have the energy in you, you have the power in you, you are the magical creation of the universe. Your mind, body and soul has that power to manifest your desire. No matter what you desire, you have the power. So start using this technique, start using this process, and if this technique has inspired you to give it a try, let me know in the comment section. If you are excited, if you are ready, let's do it, and come back to this video and share your manifestation in the comment. Now, those of you who are new to our awesome live, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification, because I'm going to share some amazing powerful techniques in the coming days. And if you want to learn more processes, tools, techniques in your manifestation journey, you can join my program, Make Your Life Awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome Ajay. Stay motivated, stay awesome.